Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin on KuCoin with UST. First, ensure you have a verified KuCoin account. Next, deposit your Tether, or UST, into your KuCoin main account. This can be done from another wallet or exchange. Once deposited, you will need to transfer the UST from your main account to your trading account. This step is essential before you can place any buy orders on the platform. Now that your funds are ready, navigate to the spot trading section. On the KuCoin platform, you will typically find this under the Trade menu, then selecting Spot Trading. Here, you can search for the specific cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, for example, Bitcoin versus UST. The order book will show you the current market depth, displaying all active buy and sell orders. With your trading pair selected, it is time to place your buy order. You have two primary options: a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price, or a market order, which executes immediately at the best available price. Enter the total amount of UST you want to spend, or the exact quantity of the coin you wish to acquire. Always double-check all details before confirming your trade. Once your order is successfully placed and executed, your newly acquired coins will be visible in your KuCoin trading account. You can always monitor the status of any open orders or review your past transactions within the Orders section of the platform. For enhanced security, many users choose to transfer their purchased assets from their trading account back to their main account for longer-term holding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.